Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at H RVs here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us and give us a thumbs up. Now today we're excited to bring you a 2023 KZ Durango Gold, model number 358 RPQ. Now let's take a look at this one. The length on this Gold is 36 feet 8 inches. The dry weight is 12,660 pounds. And that hitch weight is 2,550. Very pretty.
This one is so pretty. Well, like always, let's start right up here and show you some of your storage. Now, we do want you to keep in mind that we do not work for this dealership, so if you really want the exact pricing or what kind of specials they've got going on, always contact the dealership for that information. Right here, you'll see, oh goodness, huge storage. Your water connections are all here. They give you this nice outside light for your docking. 50 amp connections, your waterless tank,
yeah.
Your tankless water heater. Oh my goodness. We've got your dump valves down here in a really good location. 6-point hydraulic leveling.
Yes.
All right,
very
let's
good.
Show you right up here your propane. They do put both tanks on the same side.
Yep.
Very convenient. They give you two 30-pound tanks. Your auto leveling system is going to be right up here. Let's move right on around here to the front. Durango Gold is awesome about this. Now there is some stuff in here, but you've got a big storage area.
Oh wow, it comes with
right
a pellet
front.
grill.
Yes, pellet grill. That's so cool.
Wow.
Right up above, this neat little it's actually bigger than it's going to look on camera. I wish we could show you exact dimensions on this, but you're going to be able to slide your tables, your
chairs,
folding chairs.
Oh yeah,
lots of stuff right up in there. Now, we did tell you that this is 6-point hydraulic, so here is where you're going to access your hydraulic system. Right around here, this is going to be on your campsite. Your batteries are going to be in here. Your battery disconnect up here, your solar charge, and this is going to come with the prior tire link prep already in place, and that's a wonderful addition so you can monitor your tires. Here is the other side of your pass-through storage. Wow. This is going to have a Bluetooth speaker with it. You do have connections right up here, so if you'd like to add a TV for the outside, everything is already set up for you. Let's back up and give you a quick look here. What are the awnings on this
17 and 11.
17 and 11. But wait, there's more. Hey, let's go back here. This unit is not a toy hauler, but you do get a back patio. And there is an additional awning here with the armless awning system.
Wow.
This is just so nice.
You might want to take this one home.
I might want to take this one home. Yes. So hey, let's start right back here at the very back. Now there's been a little rain here, so we've got a little water. So we're not going to step in this and track it through. But you do have a wonderful patio back here. You've got satellite connection down here. Power. So yep. Yeah, if you'd like to bring your TV and everything out here, you can set it up right back out here on your patio. So through the patio, you're going to come directly into the living room. Love these sliding doors. You have windows all the way around the back, even with the sliding doors.
I love these sliding doors.
Super nice. You've got two recliners back here that swivel and rock.
Yep.
Over here, it's going to be your trifold sofa. In your front slide, lots of huge windows, freestanding table with 4 chairs. We'll show you the other 2 chairs when we get back to the big closet. Storage across the top.
I like the balances.
The valances are very nice.
Those
and
are
these
cool.
these are going to have the MCD day and night shades.
Yep.
So you've got the screen and then you've got your privacy shade.
Yep.
Ah, well, hey, we didn't even touch the storage back here.
Well, I guess we better do
And you'll
that.
see that it is a ceiling fan. So we have tall storage all the way across the back.
Let me go ahead and open this one.
Yes.
There we go.
So I know what you're thinking. Okay, well, if we're in a situation and we can't get the patio down at the back, yes, you can camp and leave it up, and you'll still have these two side windows here to let in lots of light.
Yep.
Now, directly across from your trifold sofa is your entertainment center. You've got a nice big Sansui TV already in place. Storage right up above that.
There we go. Soft close.
Oh, your sound bar and your nice electric fireplace are going to be down here. You see, you are going to have a flush floor system in here. I actually said that correctly.
Yes.
Let me go back up real quick. This is going to feature the Whisper Quiet air system, so you're not going to have the big giant square air conditioning unit in here.
If you don't see the square,
You don't hear the air.
mm.
We stole that from somebody else. Hey, here in the kitchen, huge microwave. I'm sure this is probably convection.
Yes.
Yes. Storage all the way around it. They give you a spice rack already in place. Right down below it is the really big Insignia 4-burner cooktop.
Ooh,
Well, stove and oven. It's huge.
Hey.
Yes. Pull out garbage can. Solid surface countertops. You've got plug-ins on both sides of your range here. Wow.
Oh, love it.
Your
Soft close.
island is going to have solid surface countertops. You see they give you a plug-in right here. Drawers. Good storage under the sink. Nice large sink with a spray faucet. And standard for the golds is a dishwasher.
Yes. Very nice.
Super. That's going to be my word for today. So,
Super.
super.
Everything's super.
Right here at the, oh, yes, yes,
Let's might as
yes.
well do the fridge here.
We're going to do the fridge. Now, this is actually going to have a two-way propane electric fridge. So, if you like to boondock, this fridge will work just great for that.
Oh, bread drawer.
Storage right up above. Yeah, I got off script again, didn't I? I went out of order.
Yeah.
You do have a very
Whoa.
big pantry here with a motion light.
Mm.
Got storage all the way down to the floor. Coffee bar, taco bar, hey, whatever you want to use this
Oh,
for.
wow. Cool.
Oh, okay, so yeah, your fuses are covered up down there. And there is your built-in vac system.
Yeah. Cool.
I don't think I've seen this set up exactly like this, so it's really nice. And I do like that this countertop, do you mind standing next to the countertop so you can see that it's nice and high?
Yeah.
So you don't have to bend over to get to it. Wow. Okay. Let's go up the stairs.
To the bathroom.
Give you a nice grab handle there. Your touch screen controls are here. Durango is excellent about giving you these Encore one-piece showers. And then Jeremy is 6 feet tall, so there is a skylight. So plenty of head height in these. Nice big exhaust fan. They give you a towel bar already in place, and your porcelain foot flush toilet. Got plenty of space around it. Your heating vents are going to be in the floor in this unit. Your linen cabinet over here. 3 good size storage shelves.
Hard surface again.
Yes, solid surface in the bathroom also. Storage below the sink. You got your drawers here. Now there is not a medicine cabinet, but you've got another set of shelves here.
That's cool. And then your water heater control, light switch, and your plug-ins right here. So.
Oh, and another little towel ring up here.
Oh yeah, cool.
All right, let's move into the master bedroom. This is going to have a king-size bed that is on a tilt.
Yep.
You've got USB ports up here in the corners, and this switch right up here is for the tilt. You have storage shelves above each window, and it does have the privacy and blackout shades in here also. This is going to have a plug-in over here with shelves, so this is perfect if you have a CPAP, or hey, if you just like to carry a lot of extra shoes. Plenty of room in there.
And before we go much further, you love this idea.
I absolutely love having the drawers under here.
There we go. And they are huge.
I'm not a big fan of having to pick my bed up to get to the storage under it, so this is wonderful.
Fantastic.
Also has the whisper quiet air up here,
Yep.
so you've got your two small vents instead of the great big one. At the foot of the bed, you have a wardrobe slide.
Yes.
Well, I guess you'd call this a wardrobe slide. It's a dresser slide. So you've got drawers on both sides. Another electric fireplace.
Wow.
This one is going to have a TV already mounted for you and a couple of little storage shelves on both sides. So this dresser slide gives you just, I just want to show you all this floor space here. It's huge. You have a built-in clothes hamper.
And of course you do with beds on a tilt.
Yes.
Oh,
well, even when the bed is down,
Yeah,
you
it's
still
not bad.
have, good floor space.
Oh my.
Storage right here.
Hamper.
Yes.
Let me get out of your way so you can show the...
Now here you can use this for hanging. There's your extra 2 chairs, but it is also prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. So however you need to use that space. You do have 2 sliding glass doors here on your closet, but you've got a shelf and a hanging here, some shoe racks down there, and it's just it's a really good space.
Yeah.
And another plug-in right there.
Love it.
All right, let me come down here and give you another look at this awesome patio setup.
All right, everybody, if you like this Durango Gold 5th wheel, like she said in the beginning, the dealership's information is down in that description, along with their website. You just click on that website and you can find every price you'll need on this one. So like I said, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and we'll keep bringing you these videos. Give us a thumbs up if you like us sweating and doing these. So, hey, thanks everybody.